Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zigma Y90 solar-powered robotic pool skimmer, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. All-day continuous cleaning. Our solar pool skimmer adopts newly upgraded solar charging, provides continuous optimal cleaning results. A single charge via the adapter can keep your skimmer running for up to 12 hours. It can be used whether it is raining or cloudy. Double comprehensive cleaning. Our robotic pool skimmer are equipped with 2 cleaning modes, circulation mode and edge mode, which can clean the surface of the pool more thoroughly, allowing you to have a clean and beautiful swimming pool, making you feel happy and relaxed. Self-parking technology. When our solar-powered pool skimmer robot is in low battery status or the cleaning task is finished, it will automatically park alongside the edge of the pool, allowing you to retrieve your robotic pool skimmer easily. Upgrade materials. The solar robotic pool surface cleaner adopts salt chlorine tolerant motors, suitable for both salt water and chlorine swimming pools. And the Y90 features a UV-resistant coating material to withstand harsh weather conditions for long-lasting performance. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Our pool cleaner robot equipped with advanced intelligent navigation and ultrasonic radar detection. The pool skimmer can detect obstacles in real time, and it will automatically plan routes to navigate around them, having no need for manual cleaning. Relax and enjoy life. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.